Welcome back to Product Scout, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we've got something truly unique to show you. The Maxfree K3 mechanical keyboard with touchscreen. If you've been searching for a keyboard that does more than just type, this could be your next big upgrade. Let's dive into why this is one of the best touchscreen keyboards on the market right now. First off, let's talk about its standout feature, the 13-inch foldable touchscreen. Yes, you heard that right, a touchscreen built right into your keyboard. It's not just for show either. With a stunning 1920 by 720 resolution, a 60% NTSC color gamut, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, this screen is perfect for enhancing your gaming or productivity experience. Whether you're watching media, browsing, or playing games, the visuals on this keyboard are truly next level. The touchscreen is responsive, featuring 10-point touch support, and you can adjust the angle to get the most comfortable viewing experience. Now, moving on to the feel of the keyboard itself. The Maxfree K3 uses premium PBT keycaps that are built to last. They're durable, wear-resistant, and most importantly, they stay grease-free even after hours of use. Underneath those keycaps, you'll find Gateron G Yellow Pro switches, known for their smooth actuation at 50 grams. This makes typing a breeze, and when you're gaming, the key presses are swift and satisfying. But it doesn't stop there. This keyboard is also fully hot swappable. So, you can customize your key switches to suit your personal preferences. Speaking of customization, the Maxfree K3 goes above and beyond in terms of expandability. It features a powerful M.2 SSD slot, giving you the ability to expand your storage with blazing fast read speeds of up to 5.0 gigabits per second. You also get TF and SD card slots for even more storage options, making it perfect for people who need extra space on the go. Whether you're working on large files or downloading games, this keyboard can handle it all. What about compatibility? This keyboard works with just about everything. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, Android device, or even gaming consoles like Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or PlayStation, the Maxfree K3 has you covered. With USB-C, USB 3.0, and PD interfaces, you can connect to virtually any device without any hassle. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for anyone who needs a versatile, reliable keyboard for work or play. Now, we all know that durability matters, especially for a device like a keyboard that you'll be using every day. Maxfree has crafted the K3 using high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. And with excellent after-sales service, you can feel confident in your purchase. To sum it up, the Maxfree K3 mechanical keyboard with touchscreen is a game-changer. Whether you're looking to boost your gaming setup, improve your productivity, or just experience something new, this keyboard delivers on all fronts. It combines the best of mechanical typing with the innovation of a foldable touchscreen, making it the ideal choice for anyone looking to take their setup to the next level. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech products from Product Scout. See you in the next one.